Well, decided I'd do a teardown on this Briggs here, and I got it a little while ago, couldn't get it running. It's 5-horse. Take it apart, tear it down, see what happens. But 5-horse Briggs. This is the pull start off of the old motorized trike motor. That motor's in a box right there. Bunch of parts off of it over there. This motor here got off a relative, gave it to me. That's that. And a little bit of tools laying out. Yeah. Just basic stuff. 13th, 16th socket and ratchet. I believe this one's a 1/2 inch, pair of vice grips, flathead, 7/16 wrench. I'm not sure what this is. This is good for, it fits on, it's like a 3/8 square. So it's good for like the oil plugs and stuff on these engines. It's always good for these right there. I'm pretty sure you can't see that. Dark right here, but there you go. It's always good for these. Not sure what that's actually meant for, but that's what I use it for. And alright, start tearing this down, I guess. First things first, gotta drain the oil. So turn off the stand in the light here. Use this milk jug, catch the oil. Okay. I can loosen it. Oh God. There we go. Bugger. Funnel. And one clumped up, fell in the hole. Watch out for the grain. Don't pour it out. Let it fall into your container of oil. Want to avoid that. And your funnel falling is nice too. Alright. Maybe in a momentary drink it off. Alright. Here you go. While it's draining, loosen this cap back here, let the oil drain a little faster. Sit here and let that drain for a little bit, and I'll get back to you. But oil's draining, get back to you in a little bit. There it is. Let that drain, do a good old milk jug, and get back in a minute.